Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be making breakfast with you guys. So I'm going to be making red chilaquiles, beans, and huevos estrellados. It is pretty early right now. I am barely going to make breakfast, so please excuse my bare face and my messed up colita with a little bald spot right here, which I don't know where this came from. Reason why I look like this, because it is early in the morning. I was gonna do like a full-on beat and like get ready for the video, but that was gonna take way too long. I am already starving. Me and Alex are already starving, so we're gonna get straight into making the chilaquiles. Really quick disclaimer, every single person in this world does cook differently. This is just the way that I was raised making chilaquiles. This is the way that I love making my chilaquiles. So if you guys want to learn how I make the chilaquiles, bomb ass chilaquiles, not to toot my horn, not to toot my horn, some pretty bomb chilaquiles, then keep on watching. I am going to try and explain everything that I do, even though it's actually pretty easy. If I think something is easy to cook, then it's really easy to cook, because I am not no freaking chef chimpanzee or whatever. I was actually tweeting you guys yesterday and telling you guys yesterday about this idea that I had to do a breakfast vlog with you guys. I've actually never done a vlog where I cook with you guys, so this should be pretty interesting. And you guys were all up for it. And I also told you guys how chilaquiles and menudo are literally my top two probably favorite breakfasts ever. I can eat chilaquiles every single morning. So hopefully you guys do recreate it and enjoy the recipe as well. I'm going to tell you guys, please hold. Hello?
Hey.
Yes?
Mozzarella, the white one?
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Okay guys, so I had everything ready to make the chilaquiles. Yesterday actually me and Alex went grocery shopping and I bought everything, like I guess like the basic needs for like a household cooker, because like I'm on that wifey shit. Just kidding, but we bought everything, like for example salsa de tomate, consomé, chile, tomate, cebolla, carne, pollo, like everything that we need to like make the basic recipes, you know, like so I can start cooking daily. Tell me why my dumbass forgot to buy queso, so we don't have freaking cheese, and chilaquiles are not chilaquiles without cheese. So Alex did go ahead and run to the store right now to buy cheese, and we're both kind of like learning. So he's like, wait, like the mozzarella cheese? And I'm like, I don't know, ask your mom. Just kidding, but I was like, yeah, the mozzarella cheese. So that's what Alex went to go do. Okay, so my cameraman, my boyfriend, aka Mr. Alex, is back on the camera. So I'm going to get the tortillas and my cuchillo I have right here. I'm also kind of tempted to freaking pick up my hair in a bun, because at least me personally, when people cook with their hair done, I'm like, ugh. But for the sake of me trying to look kind of okay, please bear with me. So I'm gonna get the tortillas and I'm going to cut them. My mom used to cut them like just in four, like just like tostadas, but I feel like the tortilla was too big. I was like low-key ahogándome. So I like to cut them in the middle and then ones like this, just so the chunk of tortillas are not too big. It's just me and Alex in the house, so I feel like that should be enough. It is 8 tortillas in here. For the most part, he eats like, let's say 4 tacos. I eat 4 tacos, like 8 tortillas, so that's how I came up with the number 8. So I am going to get the estufa going. Are you excited or are you scared, Gabriel? How are you
starving.
Huh?
I'm starving.
I've never made chilaquiles for you, huh?
No.
Plot twist, I've never actually made chilaquiles. So I'm gonna put a little bit of aceite. My mom got me this sartén and I'm actually estrenando right now. I wanna put a good amount of aceite just so the tortillas se doren. I like for my chilaquiles for the tortillas to be crispy, but I don't like to use tostadas because I feel like that's too crispy. So I do like to dorar the tortillas myself. You look scared behind the camera, like if I don't do this often. Just kidding, but I'm gonna put a little bit of aceite, get that going, and then throw the tortillas in here. While I wait for the aceite, I'm going to put some water in the pot and then put the veggies in here. So I'm gonna put the chile colorado. I'm just gonna take away the colita or whatever, and throw the chile in here so it can start boiling. I like for my chilaquiles to be like super spicy, but again, it is me and what's your name? I'm just kidding. It is me and Alex, so I have to. So I can make them as spicy. So I'm only gonna put 3 of the chile de árbol. Guys, I steal these. I told you guys this. I steal this from my parents' restaurant and they're so freaking spicy. So I'm only gonna put 3, and even 3 I'm like, it might be too much. Yesterday I tasted one. I tend to like taste the chile like that. Oh my god, this shit was freaking hot. 6 chile colorado and then 3 chile de árbol. And 1 little piece of garlic in here. Wait, the garlic is for when it's in the licuadora. Right now I'm just going to boil the chile in the estufa and then throw it in the licuadora. And I'm gonna put it pretty high just so it can get going kind of fast. Once the aceite is ready, I'm going to throw the tortillas in here. So for now, I'm just gonna let the chile boil and then be back in about, well, for you guys 2 seconds, for us 5 minutes, well not 5 minutes, maybe like 3 minutes for the aceite to get hot. Oh, I'm so hungry. Do you guys ever get like so hungry because you're so hungry and then you reach your point of hungriness that no tienes hambre because you're just that hungry? But anyways, I'm about to reach that point, so we have to get it going. The aceite is ready and here comes the tricky part. Ah! Just kidding. I think I'm gonna die. My neighbors probably hate me. I'm like getting like really good at cooking. And just kidding, but I'm like learning how to cook. The only thing that I'm a little bit like scared is the aceite when it gets super hot. Cause
You want me to do it?
La salpicar.
I'll put them in
You
there.
don't even know how to wipe your butt. Me, I am the wife of the house.
Come in, baby. You're talking too much.
I'm gonna go get to McDonald's if we keep it going. I'm trying to separarlas a little bit. And I want for the aceite, oh yeah, for sure it's hot enough. Let me put it down a little bit while I throw them in here. Woo. Okay, that was not as bad. Okay, this is not that bad. I feel like it also depends what you throw in the aceite. You want to show them a little bit closer? Ooh, they're already getting crispy. That's exactly what I wanted. Yes. I feel like that's actually enough tortillas for the both of us.
Nuh-uh.
Sí corté a little bit de más. No? Like, I'm okay.
Yeah, that's like for me right there, barely.
Okay, hold on. Please hold. I'm trying to figure out my little escupastel. Okay, let me get my tongs. Also, guys, a little tip and trick. I want to put the salsa in here once we're literally about to eat, because if not, the salsa is going to get the tortillas back to soggy, which we don't want. I want the tortillas to be really crispy. Now that I'm looking at them, I feel like the tortillas, I should have cut them up even more small, but...
Yeah, I think they're too big, bruh.
My mom used to, I'm telling you, my mom used to cut the tortillas just before. If anything, I cut them a little bit more, but it'll work, don't worry. I like if we need more tortillas.
More aceite too, no? Or...
I feel like this is enough because I'm going to eat eggs as well, so I'm not going to eat a whole lot of chilaquiles. I'm going to put a little bit more aceite on here. So this is how I want for all of them to get, so I'm just moving them a little bit so they all get the aceite, this right here. I guess I could have put a little bit more aceite to begin with, but I'm kind of hesitant on doing so because no quiero que estén muy aceitosas either. So I feel like we should be good. I'm just gonna let them sit here a little bit more on the aceite. Once the chile is almost ready, which is like in 2 more minutes, I'm going to licuar the chile and then throw it on top of this, and the chilaquiles should be ready, and then I'll get to making the huevos. You don't want huevos on top of your chilaquiles, huh?
Yeah.
Last time you said you didn't like it.
One.
I just told you guys how he doesn't like it.
My OCD is killing me.
What? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, so this is how I want it for the tostadas to be. I like them to be super crunchy, and then once I throw the salsa that I'm about to make, ya le bajé la lumbre, by the way. It is now on the lowest of the low. But I want for my tostadas to be crunchy like this. Once I put the salsa, I let them sit for a little bit, and then they get like crunchy, but like soggy or whatever. And then now do the salsa for the chilaquiles. So for the salsa, I'm going to use, let me get my cucharita actually. I'm going to pour, ooh, this is gonna be spicy. I'm going to pour all of the chiles in here.
Oh God, you spilled it everywhere.
I spilled it everywhere? No, I didn't. You're such an exagerado. By the way, guys, you already know, but Alex is exagerado AF. So if he's like, oh my God, you spilled it everywhere, it was probably like a drop slightly on the corner.
Not even, it's all over the room.
Did I get all the chiles? Yeah, I got all the chiles. I'm gonna put a little bit of the water that's on here. And then to the chiles, I'm going to add a garlic head. Actually, let me cut up the garlic head a little bit. I'm gonna add a garlic head, some salt.
Babe, I think they're like burning already.
No, I know what I'm doing. They're not
Okay.
burning. Add a little bit of consomate, about half a cucharada. And moler this together. So I added the garlic, the salt, and the consomate with a little bit of the water that I used to boil the chiles. And then right now I'll taste it. Si le falta más sal, then I'll put more of the sal. I'm going to pop those crispy light. Okay. Sorry, I put my face like right on here. Let me taste it. I feel like le falta un poquito más agua because it's too espeso. It needs a little bit more. That's actually really good, babe. I'm not kidding. Okay, so now I'm going to add the chile, which that's really good.
It looks too spicy for me.
No, they're not that spicy. The chile is just really rojo. I'm a little bit confused. But it should be good.
You said you knew what you were doing. Guess que my cousin's a chef. He can sabe que.
I didn't say that.
Yeah.
I said my cousin cooks all the time.
My cousin gave me the recipe.
I feel like, I haven't tasted them obviously, but I feel like les faltó algo. Like, don't know what it is, girl, but hold on. I don't want to like critique myself before I taste them. Even though I already know you guys are like critiquing me AF. They look just too dark. Okay, wait. The more that I move them together, they actually are starting to look like chilaquiles. I guess it's just the chile that I use, so don't come for me, come for the chiles. I am missing the queso. For the queso, I actually wanted to use the queso en barra, but we don't have a cheese grater yet, so we're gonna use the mozzarella cheese. I turned back the stove a little bit. I put it on low just so I can get the salsa going with the chilaquiles. And I'm going to put a little bit of cheese. Let me just move this around a little bit. Babe, how do you feel right now, honestly?
I mean, they look okay.
Do you feel scared?
I'm not a chilaquile expert.
Wait, it actually smells good though. A ver qué pasa. So I'm gonna put a little bit of queso on top. Ooh la la. Ooh, that actually looks really good. Okay, I take back my bad words. Babe, take back your bad words.
I didn't say anything bad.
You said they look scary. They actually look good now.
They look spicy.
Yeah, they look spicy.
I think you should add more cheese.
Yeah, I'm gonna add more cheese. I kind of want to add some cheese to kind of revolverlos todos, and then add a little bit more cheese on top. I'm gonna let them get on the heat for 2 minutes. I'm about to serve us some chilaquiles and put myself to the test. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes and I just want to apologize to me, myself, and I. Just kidding, but they actually look really good now. The color even turned like, you know, actual chilaquiles color. So before I keep talking, I am going to taste some now. Let me turn off the estufa. Serve. Ooh, look how good these look. They actually look good, guys. I think. Alex, he didn't get that part, but Alex actually put more chile on the chilaquiles, which I'm
more
happy.
chile?
Oh my god. I mean, he put more cheese on the chilaquiles, which I'm happy. That's enough for me, and then I'm gonna serve some for Alex. Tell me what to stop it.
Oh gosh.
Ooh, this is really stringy.
Too much cheese. Oh god, oh god. Babe, you're gonna drop that shit.
I'm not gonna drop it.
Right there, it's fine. Oh god, that's too much.
It's because the queso is like everywhere. And the beans we already had some pre-made. That's why we didn't really vlog us getting the beans. But some frijoles. And I'm gonna put some cheese. Where's the cheese? On top of his beans. Breakfast of champions. I need the cheese to put on top of the queso. I mean on top of the beans. Thank you. I'm gonna put a little bit on top of my chilaquiles and then a little bit on the beans. And then the same for Alex. And we are about to find out if I get dumped in episode 2. This is me and Alex having breakfast at 1 p.m. Just kidding, it's actually not that late right now. I'm not gonna tell you guys the time because you will, oh, okay, it says the time in the back.
No, it's not late.
No, it's 12, guys. This is always the time. I think I told you guys this before. Always the time that I have breakfast, but the moment of truth is here. This is what the plate looks like. Yum. It actually looks really good. Babe, say that it looks really good.
Oh, I
Just
can't.
kidding.
I need to try it first.
No, because when I poured the salsa, I was like really scared because the salsa looked really dark, almost black. But then once it like marinated in the tortilla, it was not that bad.
I can take a picture.
If these are bomb, I'm going to eat them every single day for the rest of my life. If they're not bomb, then I will try again harder next time. Okay, let me try these. Okay, first of all, they are crunchy, how I like them, so that's a good thing. They're good, huh? I'm just kidding. I'm not lying, they're good, guys. I think, never mind. I was gonna say they just need to be more spicy, but no, they're good spicy, huh? These are really good, guys. Unless I'm just tooting my own horn, but I always tell you guys like, okay, this should taste like ass, or like, okay, this thing tastes good. And these actually taste really good. I was kind of scared. Do you like them? And they're spicy. They're the spiciness like catches up to you. Like after a couple of bites, you're like, okay, these are spicy. Babe, how are you not enchilado? I'm enchilado. I know you're enchilado. These are so good. Okay, I rate myself an 11. I'm just kidding. I rate them 1 to 10. 10 being like I couldn't have done a better job. A 9. 9.2. Huh?
I agree.
A 9.2. Yay! Cheers. Cheers to my first time making chilaquiles for us. Okay guys, so we are almost done eating. Thank you guys so much for joining us for breakfast, for joining me in...
I'm all stuffing my face here.
For joining me in making breakfast. You guys know that I am no chef in any way, shape, or form.
Chef?
So, chef.
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 No, chef, not chef.
I am not a chef.
There you go.
Chef. What am I saying wrong?
You said chef, babe.
My name's Jeff. That's not how you say it?
No, you don't say chef. It's chef.
Oh, my cha. You guys know I'm like the worst with my chus. Anyways, I am not a freaking chef.
You're a mini chef.
I'm a mini. Oh, you think so?
You're a mini chef.
But yeah, this is just to bring you guys with us along. So if you are critiquing my cooking skills, it's okay and I accept it. But thank you guys so much for joining me. If you did enjoy this kind of video or these kinds of videos, let me know down below. Do not forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.